I'm Erica Aziz and I'm conducting an interview for my requirement in Foundation of Special and Inclusive Education about how teachers support gifted learners.
Good day to ma'am. My name is Iris R. Galianos, BSA in Filipino.
Here's my first question. How do you identify or recognize signs that a student may be a gifted learner?
As a teacher, I can recognize signs of gifted learners when they perform and show extraordinary skills and talents compared to ordinary learners. This type of learners show advanced intellectual curiosity. They have more well-spoken and with the last memory skills. Lastly, they are more curious with many things. They are great problem solvers and logical thinkers.
Here's my second question, ma'am. What strategies do you use to differentiate instruction or gifted learners in your class?
I differentiate instruction based on the individual learning needs of my learners.
Here's my third question, ma'am. What challenges do you usually encounter when teaching or supporting gifted learners?
As a teacher, the main challenges that I usually encounter is on how to meet their learning individuals' needs, but it comes easily along the way when you know your learners very well.
Here's my fourth question, ma'am. What encouragement or acceleration activities do you provide to help them further develop their abilities?
I usually allow my learners to maximize their learning by giving them independent projects where they can be innovative and creative.
Here's my fifth question, ma'am. How do you support the socio-emotional of gifted learners, especially in managing stress, perfectionism, or relationships?
I support the socio-emotional development of my learners by providing their opportunities to connect with like-minded peers and boost their communication skills through interactive activities of their interest.
Here's my sixth question, ma'am. How do you monitor and assess the progress or growth of gifted learners?
I monitor progress by being a guide on the side for my learners. As a teacher, it is my duty to facilitate their learning and support their needs.
Here's my last question, ma'am. Their experience with IEPs or modified instruction.
The experience was challenging, but it also provided me more knowledge on bespoke individualized instructions for my learners.
Thank you very much, ma'am, for your time and insights.
Yes, thank you then.